Looks great.
My best friends are seeing me.
Looks fantastic.
So I'm currently sitting at my new desk.
We might be going to IKEA this afternoon. Georgia and Rach are back at it with the chips at IKEA. Woohoo! Crazy times, crazy teens.
We are now in KMART. Okay, Georgia, we need to stop procrastinating.
Okay, let's go.
Hello my friends, it is Saturday, it is 4:20. I had work from 6 till 4 and now I am back at my parents' house. I'm sitting on my bed right now for pretty much the last time because Georgia and her big brother Bryce are helping me take over my mattress to the new house. I'm going to buy a new bed frame so I don't have to take this bed frame, so I'll just be sleeping on a mattress on the floor for a little while. I'm not sure exactly when I'll get my new bed frame, but a little update is happening. We also got our fridge today, so I'm excited to see that. But right now I'm just like getting all my stuff off my bed so I can move it. Goodbye to this bed. See you never, because I'm getting a new one. Currently have my car full of my last load of my stuff from my parents' house because this is probably like the last time that I'm going to be like taking stuff over because I can fully move in now. Now that my bed's there, I can sleep there, I can shower there, I can get dressed, like do all my stuff. So everything is now going to be at the new house and I can actually start living there, which means it'll be my first night in the new house tonight, the night before Easter. Beautiful, lovely, can't wait. Georgia and her brother and his girlfriend came over and helped me move my stuff, which I'm so grateful for because I don't know how I would have done it otherwise because I have no means of getting a ute or a trailer or anything like that. Especially over the Easter weekend where everything is closed, so even if I hired a company or something, they're just like not open. So stressful, but time to move for the last time. I mean, I have to come back here like every day to feed the pets because my parents are away, but it's okay. It's okay. So this is the current state of my bedroom. I got my mattress and so now I just have to... Please repeat. What was that, Skay?
This is me giving up on IKEA furniture.
How long did you do it for?
10 minutes.
Looks fantastic. Update of Skay's room. Looks great.
I put back the drawers first.
Yeah, no, that's fair enough. Well, you just make the drawers now. So back to my room. Have to sort this out. I really don't know how I'm gonna figure this out, but it'll get there.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
My best friends are leaving me. They go to the movies. I don't like going to the movies though, so it's okay. I literally moved like one thing and I am so tired. Thanks. Bye.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you.
My little makeshift bed is done until I get an actual bed frame, but I'm pretty happy with how it is right now. I still have a lot of other stuff to unpack and fix, but my camera is currently flashing dead, so I'll probably just give you an update very soon of what I turn all of this mess into. Hello my friends, it's a little bit later now. I showered, I feel really good. I love having a shower after a long shift at work, but I think I've set up my room as much as I can. I definitely need to get some drawers and obviously my bed frame, but I'm pretty sure for my bed frame I will need to use a larger car to get it because it's a little bit bigger, but I might be able to get the drawers by myself because I don't think they're as big. But right now this is a situation where the drawers will be in the future. Those long tubs are going to be under my bed when I get my bed. This, I don't know where I'm going to put this yet, and this is just my suitcase full of things that are supposed to be in drawers. Then I've got my bedside table set up there and my bed here, so it is a little bit more set up than it was. It still doesn't look great because I don't really have furniture, but that's okay. It is currently 8 p.m. Izzy is at work. Skay and Georgia went to go see a movie. I don't like watching movies, like going to the cinema and watching movies, because I get really fidgety and anxious, so I didn't go. And I just stayed home and worked on my room. But I think I might put a 2-hour express on because I want to tan, because today it is Saturday and on Tuesday it's my birthday, and I think I just have the time now to tan, so why not? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna pop my Loving Tan 2-hour express on because it's my fave. So I'm currently sitting at my new desk, like my new study in my new filming room for the first time, and it's so exciting. I feel so professional sitting at like my actual study desk, and then as you can see behind me is I've got my filming set up. I still need to get a few things for this room to be complete, but it's definitely a lot more complete than my actual bedroom, but I'm so happy with it, and I'm like so excited that I'm just like sitting here editing a video. I don't know what to call this room. Like, it's like my studio, it's my study, it's my filming room, it's my office. I don't really know what to call it, but I love it. It is now like 10:30. Georgia and Skate came back from their movie. They said it was really, really good. I am so tired, so I'm going to go to bed. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. This is my first night in the new house, sleeping in my bed. But yeah, I'm gonna hopefully have a good sleep. Good night. Good morning, my friends, and happy Easter. Today it is Easter Sunday, and it's about 8:30 almost. And Georgia and I are gonna head off to church soon because he is risen. Had my first night in my new bed on the ground last night. It was really good, had a really good sleep. But this is my outfit. I've got my dress from Shopo. I just thought it was really cute and like Eastery. And then just my white slides from City Beach that I always wear. So that's my outfit. And then what's going on out here? We have a Skate building some IKEA furniture. This will just be a recurring theme in this house for the next few weeks. She's building the Alex 5 drawers, which I think like pretty much all of us have now. We all just have the same furniture, honestly. Happy Easter.
Easter?
Look at George's big bear. Did you cuddle with him while you were sleeping?
Yeah.
He's
Because I was really cool.
Shooch. OOTD. It's really cute. I like that dress.
It's from Miller's.
That's not bad.
I mean...
I like it. It's really pretty.
And then there's Alice from Dottie.
Dottie.
And she's Spanish.
Spend less. Banging in the background. Ready to go?
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Have fun, Skye. Bye, Skye. Have you tried the... Have you heard good things about Bondi Sands?
No, I haven't heard good things.
I haven't either.
I want to try it.
Has anyone
but I
tried the Bondi Sands 1 Hour Express and actually liked it? Because I feel like everything I've heard about it has been like pretty underwhelming.
Everyone
like, not
says
bad.
it's really hard to like blend and
'Cause it dries so
dries so
quickly.
quickly and it doesn't like get you very dark. Like Emily
Emily West.
yeah, tried it and she didn't do anything.
And I saw like Millie try it and it didn't look like, it looked fine, but it didn't look like, I don't know. And I'm so confused because I use like the Loving Tan 2 Hour and it feels like I'm just putting on a normal tan.
Yeah.
Like it's not hard to blend out or anything.
I don't want to sleep in my tan.
But we are at church now, so we should stop talking about tans and start talking about Jesus.
Jesus.
We might be going to IKEA this afternoon. We've decided that it is a possibility. We just like don't really have that many plans. Are you gonna go
How cute
grocery?
it
It looks
is.
really cute. Are you gonna go grocery shopping?
Like I really don't want to, but like I have to.
Yeah.
I can live off peanut butter toast for another day.
Yeah, that's my thoughts, hey.
Easter is for eating lots of chocolate. We had an outfit change, OOTD.
KMART. Big W. Pennies.
I have KMART, Valley Girl, and City Beach.
Nice. Cute. I really like the shorts. Like a lot. Yeah.
I like the pockets.
I think they're cool.
I like the colour of them too.
Yeah.
Right now we are heading off to IKEA. We need to get some drawers, possibly a bed, depending on how much fits in the car. So we will see how that goes. Have you got your keys? Oh, we don't need to have keys to lock the door, do we? And I need to get a clothing rack and maybe a bin for the kitchen.
Georgia and Rach are back at it with the chips at IKEA. We have this every time we come. So we're gonna do this and then we're gonna get our stuff.
We got our cart, got a few things. I'm pretty proud. We've made it a long way through and I've only got 2 things. It's pretty good. But it's so incredibly busy here right now. So it's really hard to like navigate through. Like I would be vlogging a lot more if it wasn't so busy and getting pushed around. We're not toddling. We're getting in and getting it out. Getting it out, getting out. But I've got a clothing rack and some hot plate things. I don't know what they're called.
2 of those ones. Okay, so we filled up 1 trolley just with my stuff, so Georgia got another trolley for her stuff. Woohoo! Crazy times, crazy teens.
We are now in KMART buying bins.
We have a big one for the kitchen. Georgia's got a little one for a bathroom. Getting some other stuff as well. Good times, good times. This is what you want to spend your Sunday afternoons doing. Happy Easter. He is risen. He is risen indeed.
So update, we have been at Kmart for approximately 5 minutes now and we have a full cart. Georgia has gone to get another cart for like her stuff, so then we'll have a cart each. But the only reason we need 2 carts is because we're both getting like pillows and stuff, and I'm getting a mattress topper and like a giant bin for the kitchen. So we just need a little bit more room in our trolleys. Car is full of purchases. IKEA purchases, Kmart purchases, lots of purchases. Now it's time to go home and build our purchases.
how you feel about our purchases?
Good.
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 Good. Georgia just informed me that she made it. I like it a lot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. This is comfy. I feel sick. I have a heat pack on my stomach right now. I don't have my period, but I feel like I do, and it sucks. I hate cramps. Georgia is not even helping me because she's a really bad best friend.
Oh.
I'm kidding. She would be helping me if she could, but like, I just gotta leave it up to the drugs, you know? I'm just sitting here dying, and it's really hard. Oh, she dramatic. She dying. She in severe pain. I just want sympathy and love.
You know how that chick was like?
Did you hear what I just said?
No. Sorry. What'd you say?
I just want love. Hey, we're watching Amy's vlog. What's new? We're obsessed.
You're welcome.
What? Then I saw it here and now we. Okay, Georgia, we need to stop procrastinating.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go grocery
Bye now.
shopping. So I didn't vlog anything at the grocery store, but I'll show you what I picked up. I still have to do like a normal like big grocery shop where I get all of like the basics and things that I need. But today the shops are about to close, so we only just got like what we needed for today and maybe tomorrow. So I just picked up some pumpkin, some cheese, some butter, some honey sausages, some watermelon, 90% water, 10% melon, and some potatoes. And that's everything. See ya later, alligator.